What is up, guys? It's your boy Wigsy. I'm back again, uploading once again. I'm trying to on my shit PC. I remember in my last video I was talking about getting my new PC, but it never happened because I bought a car. So I gotta try and save up for again. But hopefully for Christmas I should be getting it because I'm gonna sell my Xbox and PS3 for it. But I am back trying to upload. I'll try and get at least a video a week maybe, but my quality is not the best, so I don't know if you guys enjoy it anyway. But YOLO, you know, do what I want. Anyway, you're seeing right now me on Hive, a speed up video just because I can't like play and talk because I'm disabled. But one day when I get a new PC I'll probably be able to do a bit better. But anyway, I'm just saying I'm back. That's what I really want to say. So if you do enjoy the video, please just give me some support. Hopefully I can get my new PC for Christmas. Just leave a like if you want. Thank you guys. Bye.